Welcome to our video on how to make money online in 2023. The internet has opened up a whole world of opportunities for making money, and in this video, we'll be discussing the various ways to make money online and providing a step-by-step guide to get you started. Start a blog or website. Blogging or creating a website is one of the easiest ways to make money online. You can monetize your blog or website through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and other methods. Create and sell online courses. Online courses are a great way to share your knowledge and skills with others and make money at the same time. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell online courses. Use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction make it easy to find affiliate programs and start earning money. Sell products online. Selling products online is another great way to make money. Platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay make it easy to sell products online. Offer freelancing services. Freelancing is another way to make money online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to find freelance work and start earning money. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrencies. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies can be a great way to make money online. Platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, and Coinbase make it easy to invest in stocks or cryptocurrencies. Make money with YouTube. YouTube is another great platform to make money online. You can monetize your videos through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Online surveys or focus groups. Online surveys or focus groups are another way to make money online. Platforms like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks and InboxDollars make it easy to participate in online surveys or focus groups and earn money. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is a great way to make money online by providing administrative, technical, or creative assistance to business owners. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer can help you find virtual assistant jobs. Conclusion: making money online has never been easier, and there are many ways to do it. By starting a blog or website, creating and selling online courses, using affiliate marketing, selling products online, offering freelancing services, investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies, making money with YouTube, participating in online surveys or focus groups, becoming a virtual assistant, you can start earning money online today. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has provided a helpful step-by-step guide on how to make money online in 2023.